Hemi44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dog the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dog the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. 44 gang, man. So we get right to it, man. As y'all know from my previous video, I dropped my car off at Audio Zone, Audio Cat. So I dropped my car off this morning. It's like 6. I was supposed to pick my car at 5:30. Audio Cat called me, and I was asleep. So when I woke up, I called him back, and he told me, he was like, man, I had to call you, but we got a problem. So I'm thinking there's something wrong with my speakers or something. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking there's something wrong with my speakers. A problem with, I'm thinking he about to say you're not gonna be able to pick your car up today. So he started talking, and he pretty much say, man, your car was in the tow lane. We got done with your car and we moved it to the tow lane, and a vehicle, like on my last video, bro, it'd be big trucks coming through that back. And he was like, we had it parked, we had your car and another car parked there, and a truck came and trying to get through and cause damage to your vehicle. So I'm like, oh man. So he was like, well, here's the police officer, he want to talk to you. We're gonna, we gotta let you talk to him. Get out.
I know, I've been looking at that. They've been chilling over there. They've been jumping in.
He was like, we're gonna let you talk to the police. So he get on the phone. I think his name was Officer Brown or something like that. He get on the phone, talking about, hey man, yeah, he pretty much told me the same thing Audio Cat told me what happened. Somebody hit the vehicle, but the thing about it, they got to tow the vehicle. He said we got to tow the vehicle to our place. I forgot what he said, bro. He got to tow the vehicle for whatever reason to their place, and this and that. So I told him, I'm like, nah, bro, y'all not towing my car. I said I'll be there. He was like, okay, well, we're gonna be wrapping it up here in about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm like, look, I ain't gonna be there in 10 or 15 minutes, but I'm on my way. And he was like, all right, we'll wait on you. So Audio Cat get back on the phone. He was like, all right, Hemi, I see you when you get here. I'm like, cool. So right now, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what damage done to my car. I don't know nothing. Like, I don't know
paying
nothing.
for it.
Huh?
So it's gonna be the truck driver fault then.
Right. And he said something about the police got to take it to their department to insure, to something, so they can, something about the claim or something. The police and them had to tow it for something about the claim. I don't know. I just know I don't know what to expect when I get here. All I know is my car and another car was hit because it was in the tow lane, which that's gonna be a problem. Like, why was my car in the tow lane anyway? You know what I'm saying? So
Audio Cat gonna pay for that.
Well, the company, that driver gonna have to pay for it.
No, if you was in a like a fire lane or something like that, then that's, if you was blocking them, then that'll be on your car. But since Audio Cat parked there, you got to take care of that.
Alright, we're gonna see.
Okay.
We're gonna see. But yeah, that's what happened. But I gotta tell y'all, man, even doing this, go to Hemi44.com, man. Get your merch. Shout out to Free Smoke. Like I said, I got their merch on.
You wear that shirt.
I wear that shirt a lot. I'm gonna explain again why I wear that shirt a lot. Is because once it get washed,
yeah,
it's like this one and the white one. You know what I'm saying? These are good shirts, bro. Like for real, these are good shirts. Like this shirt has been washed like 3 or 4 times, and you can't even tell. So
no, that shirt been washed like 5 or 6 times.
Oh yeah, and you can't even tell. So this is actually a good shirt. So what it is, my good shirts that I wear when I'm just wearing, I'm not trying to dress or nothing, I want to put some on. These are two of the top shirts that be at the drawer.
I smell it too.
These are two of the white one and the red one are two of the top shirts that's always at the top of the drawer. Because I don't have a lot of just throw on, just put on type shirts. Unless they look Hanes or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But another thing I was gonna say is I'm doing free shipping on all tracksuits. Limited time only though. I'm doing free shipping on all tracksuits. So y'all go to the website, get y'all tracksuits. What else, man? Hemiwife44.com once again. Get your tracksuits, get your hats. I ain't got no hat on.
Uh-oh.
Get your hoodies, get prepared for the winter. I'm working on socks right now. Yeah, we got a lot coming, man. We got a lot coming. Also, when you come to buying the merch, man, we're doing a giveaway. August 7th, I'll be doing the giveaway on a free car wrap from my guy Jay at A to Z. You know what I'm saying? A free camo wrap. So what you gotta do is go to Hemiwife44.com and enter.
Dang, I wanted to go right there.
Go to Hemiwife44.com and purchase a shirt. Any shirt will get you in it. You know what I'm saying? It gotta be a shirt though. Any shirt will get you in it. However many times you enter, that's how many times you how many times you purchase. That's how many times you'll be getting in it. My head really thinking about my car. I'm just doing it because I gotta do it. But yeah, so if you want a chance to get your car wrapped for free by J at A2Z, hit up the website and cop a shirt from me. Understand me? I be around. It's coming too easy to me. It's natural. It's a natural. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm headed up here, man. We're gonna see what's going on. Yeah.
Once we get there, I guess.
Turn the camera back on when we get there, man. We out.
Audio okay, you got some explaining to do. Audio okay, got some explaining to do.
44 game, man. Bro, I just got here. Hold on. My car is parked right here, bro. Let me see something. See something, bro. You cannot, listen to me. You cannot, when it come to YouTube, bro, you cannot trust Jeff, bro, when it come to YouTube. This man, look, I'm outside. He calling me. Oh. It's locked. Look at this. This is his car right here. Can't trust this man when it comes to YouTube. Can't trust this man because it don't look like there's nothing wrong with my car. That's this car. Bro. Can't trust nothing Jeff say, bro. When it come to YouTube. Hey, where Jeff? Huh? Huh? His car up there, I ain't seen him. Bro, they playing. They playing, bro. Sure don't look like nothing wrong with my car. But that was his car. Got turbo TV in this car right here. The Zaytoven on this side. What they doing? Bro, I came over here. I said, why do this car sound like this? Huh? You fooled me for real until I came around the corner. I was like, hold up, man, something ain't right. Hey, where Jeff? Where Jeff? That door wasn't locked? I must have grabbed the wrong one. Hey, Jeff be playing, bro. Huh? Hey, was that Tony on the phone? No, I'm talking about Tony. Was Tony acting like a police officer? Huh?
I wasn't in there when they called.
Man, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. You can't trust nothing Jeff be saying. That dude there. Oh, I tried to go through this though. I went through the wrong door. Bro, my car ain't nothing wrong with my car, bro. Bro. Or is it? Am I going through the wrong door? Oh, okay. Second time I went to the wrong door. Oh, you out of there. You out of there.
Hold the prank any longer. You took too long to get here, man.
You out of there, man.
You know, and if, what are y'all doing over there? These guys, well, I tell you, this is the shop.
He tried to
But
get me,
anyway,
man.
the real story. Let me get. Can I get the real vlogging going on, please? Thank you, sir. Mikey, get my camera. Come record me. I don't got time to play with these kids. I want to go home. My mom's in the hospital. I want to go do some I'm in the building with my boy, Hemiwife44.
Man, what up, man? What's happening?
This is my player partner for real. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all out there, y'all want, hey, y'all want some dance battles? You know what I'm saying? For me.
That's the police. This is Officer Brown right here.
Hey, hi, I'm Officer Brown.
Bro.
The urban police. All right, man. Back to reality.
I was like, bro, I know that voice sound familiar, bro.
We got the car ready for Hemiwife44. He's okay.
Oh man, they playing, bro. He trying to. But we going out here, man.
Hold the front come on, man.
Yeah, I just told him, I said, man, I don't know what to expect when I get here in my car. I don't know where it's hit at or nothing. He always trying to prank somebody. He said he couldn't hold it no longer because it took me too long to get here.
But you in there.
Let me see. Oh, play some non-copyright music. Let me turn it on some non-copyright music. Y'all didn't know I just got my sound system redone.
Turn on this car. Just turn on this car, man, and my people together. So you can put some non-copyright music, as he says, and see what's going on.
I don't know if these got bang in it or not.
The copyright's a problem.
Huh?
The copyright. All 4 vocals done. We got 4 tweeters done. We upped your bass. Now you got more bass than you did before. We put the module behind the radio, so now you don't have that LC7 garbage they had in there before. Everything's all digital. You're all pretty much ready to go. That's pretty much the suggestions for now. There's obviously a lot more that we can do, but we want to give you a touch of it today. I mean, it's a lot different than what it was. But long story short, it's something you got to play with. I got everything in your radio flat, so now you have to deal with your equalizer, make sure that you want to tune it to where you want to. You shouldn't have no issue with that at all either. Your batteries are holding up, voltage is holding up, so you're all good. But once you get into playing with that, you'll get to see a little bit more of exactly where you're going to be at, man. So that's pretty much what it is. Tell the camera, what's your reaction?
Hey, like I told y'all before, I told my people before I got here, man, I already knew that it was going to sound pretty good because I heard his car. I heard a lot of cars he did. You know what I mean? So I like it. I love it. I hadn't even played with my this right here obviously gonna make a big difference.
You're gonna play with it, you're gonna adjust like you like to. The only thing that we can do to make it even more adjustable than what the factory does is actually throw a full DSP processor. Rockford Fosgate makes one, they're on back order right now. There's another one I've made by Axis, which is okay, it's not a bad unit, it does its job, but my favorite is the Rockford Fosgate DSR1. They're on back order right now. But that's the only thing that will probably add to this, because then it'll allow you to do a little bit more separation. We could actually throw another amplifier in the vehicle and separate the tweeters from the mid-ranges from the bass, and then you could actually tune everything independent, so you don't have to, because right now it's kind of summing everything up. Once it's separated, you can adjust everything up, but you know, from where you were to where you at, like a big difference, and it could just get better from there. So, you know, I just hope you enjoy it, have fun, don't catch a fire, your car's not crashed, and everything's good to go, man. So he can be rolling out of
44 game, listen to me. Audio Cat he be playing. He had me really thinking my car had been messed up and everything, bro. Like, bro, it's crazy. I really thought something was going on with my car. Which way I want to go? I'm gonna go this way. I really thought something was going on with my car, bro. Something they got, the way he called me, the way they set that up, bro, I really thought. But I come up here, it turned out he said he couldn't hold the prank no longer because it took me too long to get here, so my car was parked out front. So that's what it was. I really thought it was gonna be something wrong with my car though. But yeah, man, so I gotta give y'all a sample of the music, man. Audio Cat is a fool. My car sound extremely better, louder, everything, man. I'ma just play this song. I don't know what type of bass in this song. Ooh, this sun. Oh my God, bro. This sun. I don't know what type of bass in this song. I'm just gonna play it so y'all can get a little sample.
Hey, this that Chuck Taylor music, you know what I'm saying? Red bandana around my motherfucking neck. Ride with 2 motherfucking gangsters with me, you know what I'm talking about? Block ball with D.O. We don't need no niggas better. You got that wet between your legs, my nigga. You can close your ears on this one. Taking this shit back over, folks. Y'all niggas remember us? Hey. My league come back with a chopper like what he say. What he say. What he say. I ain't bullshit, homie. I don't need fucking play. What he say. What he say. My league come back with a chopper like what he say. What he say. What he say. I ain't bullshit, homie. I don't need fucking play. What he say. What he say. Slow down. Watch the way you walk up on the real nigga. Talking out loud like you can't get killed. Crazy shit go down. Lay your ass face down.
That's loud, man. That's loud. Shout out to Audio. Shout out to Audio Cat. I thought that was the police. Shout out to Audio Cat. Shout out to Audio Cat for getting me right, man. That's extremely loud. I like that. That sound a whole lot better, man. A whole lot better. But yeah, man. The man tried to get me on the prank, man. Y'all know Audio Cat. He always trying to get somebody. But yeah, but it's all good. My car is good. Everything good. Ain't no issues, man. No problems at all. But I'm headed to the house, man. I gotta go do some grocery shopping. We hungry. We gotta eat. So I'm finna go end this video, man. I appreciate y'all watching, but y'all know how I end all my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time,